SUNRAYS Foundation is a non-partisan, non-profit and non-governmental indigenous organization established in 2019 by young South Sudanese men and women. The young intelligent youth decided to unite and form the organization, which will be supporting the vulnerable people and the youth in all areas of life. It aims at eradicating poverty, injustices, hunger, diseases, illiteracy, hatred and divisionism. This NGO organized the training for Azande students across Africa to mentor them on reproductive health and rights, financial literacy, spiritualism, career guidance, among others, in Kiryandongo refugee settlement. This summit gathered students from South Sudan, Kenya, Uganda, Ethiopia, Tanzania, among others. Speaking to students at the summit, Simon Mikanipale said all students should be generational because this can connect them to so many prominent people.
I think international students can connect you to international respectful people.
He also said the major purpose of this conference was to bring unity and peaceful coexistence among Azande students across Africa. The training that was graced by Bishop Ochala from northern Uganda had about 4 facilitators, Joseph Nashoni, Jimmy Jackson Basoronga, among others. Speaking to Azande Pictures Media, Jimmy Jackson Basoronga asked the students to study while discovering who they are, because this determines who they will be in future.
The first thing is to understand yourself. Like I told you, I was in a refugee camp. After the scholarship got finished, I said, am I going to remain here? The job I was doing stopped. Am I going to remain here after I failed? 1, 2. I said, no, I have to do it. So first thing is know what is you, what are your interests. Because that's the first step. If you know who am I and what are my challenges, what are my needs, then you can then plan the next step.
This training covered mental health and psychosocial support as well as business ideas.
A sense of internal well-being, okay? At the same time, a feeling in line with one's own belief.
The training also instilled knowledge and wisdom into the students to prepare them for a better tomorrow.